Hey everyone, in this short video I want to show you how you could collapse Word Space Modifiers in 3D Studio Max. Just as an example, if I create a box and apply some modifiers in modifier list, you could find they have in parentheses WSM, which stands for Word Space Modifier. Let's say as an example, subdivide. Alright, something like that maybe. Or with different value, 20. Alright. If I right click and convert it to edit poly, as you see, it still remained your modifier here. And doesn't matter even if I right click here and choose collapse all. Yes, right click, collapse all. Hold this, no, doesn't matter. The most simple method, you could collapse it, right click and choose collapse to. Yes, and there it is. Your modifier with Space Word Modifier is collapsed, and sometimes it is converted to editable mesh, sometimes edit poly. Even if it is mesh, still you could simply collapse it to edit poly. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.